Welcome to the new STC.org. Over the next few minutes, we'll be exploring some of the features of the site that are of most use to STC communities. The STC website is divided into two primary sections: a public-facing site, which is viewable by all visitors to STC.org, and a private area that is restricted only to members and registered website users. The public site is where you'll find some of the most commonly sought information about STC, including STC news, background information about the Society, our education offerings, publications, and our staff directory. The public site is where you'll also find our community directory. From the top navigation, just select Membership, then Communities. This will take you to our Communities landing page. From there, you can select the community type of your choice: professional chapters, special interest groups, and student chapters. We'll select Professional Chapters. This brings us to an alphabetical list of STC chapters, with brief descriptions of each. If we click on a chapter, we get a slightly more in-depth look at the chapter. We see a chapter description, a link to their website and Twitter feed, and the contact information for their leadership. The community directory is designed to provide a snapshot of information about our chapters and SIGs. The Community Leadership Resources page provides easy access to commonly used community documents, such as the STC Community Model Bylaws templates, Model International Affiliation Agreements, the Treasurer's Manual, budget and reimbursement forms, and pertinent community policies. In the future, we'll continue to add documents and educational materials that will help community leaders to manage and grow their chapter or SIG. STC community leaders have access through the STC website to community leadership reports. These reports compile all the relevant information and contact preferences about each member of a given community. This is the primary means by which STC community leaders obtain current membership rosters and manage communications with their members. To obtain a community leadership report, simply select your community from the drop-down. Select a file format and click Get Roster. The roster will open as a Microsoft Excel readable ASPX file. Open the file, confirm import, and search for the information you need. The MySTC network is more than just part of a site redesign. It's an entirely new feature that makes the STC website a central part of the online conversation for technical communicators. MySTC is a professional and social networking tool for STC members that provides new ways to manage communities, participate in topical discussions, share media, and interact with other STC members. To log in, simply select the MySTC option from the top navigation bar, or the site access link at the top of the page. You'll be prompted to log in using your standard STC website username and password. Navigation through the MySTC network is managed through a series of tabs. The Profile tab is the default view when you log in to MySTC. On this page, you can change your status message, edit your profile information, change your picture, add media, start groups, create events, and more. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see your STC friends, as well as the groups that you belong to. This page will also display your recent activity on the site, along with the recent activity of your MySTC friends. The MySTC Home tab is where you'll see all the most recent activity from MySTC network members. A list of members, along with their profile pictures, appears at the top of the home page, followed by the most recently uploaded videos and a news feed. At the top right-hand side of the page, you can see the most recently created MySTC groups, followed by a recap of upcoming events, newest photos uploaded, and a list of who's online. The Friends tab will display all of your current friends within the MySTC network. You can search friends, invite new ones, approve friend requests, and click through to see more detailed friend profiles. The Applications tab allows you to customize your MySTC experience. Simply click Add Applications and select from the list available. For example, I'll choose the Facebook style wall. This adds a wall to my profile page where friends can post comments. If I scroll down to the bottom, the wall has now been added to my page. Applications are managed using the same interface. Simply go back to the Applications tab and click the X next to the application you'd like to remove. We will continue to evaluate applications that enhance the MySTC user experience. The Inbox tab takes you to the MySTC network's internal messaging system. This is where you can compose and reply to all the private correspondence you share with other MySTC members. From the Groups tab, you can view all of the groups that exist within the MySTC network. Because MySTC is integrated with the membership database, members are automatically added to any discussion groups that are associated with their chapters or SIGs when they first log into the site. Anyone can join open groups simply by requesting access. Members can also create their own groups, provided they fit within the mission and purpose of STC. All member-created groups are subject to webmaster approval. Groups can be sorted in several ways. The default view shows the most recent groups created. With just a click, we can change the view to an alphabetical listing of groups. Other options for sorting include Most Discussed, Most Members, and Most Active. Group administration is handled within groups themselves. Select a group. The group options are listed on the right-hand side of the page. Owners are the only users who have the ability to edit group settings, such as privacy or description, change the group avatar, or delete the group. Other group members may be designated as administrators so that they may perform common group management tasks. Editing a group is where the privacy settings are set. Select Edit from the Options panel. Groups can be set to either open or private. Open groups can be viewed by anyone within the MySTC network, including non-member registered website users. Private groups are accessible by members or by invitation only. The Events tab shows all upcoming STC events that have been made public. Event creators may make their events private so they are not published to the larger MySTC network. To create an event, simply click Create on the menu bar and fill in the description info. Events marked Open will be syndicated to the events list within the MySTC network and can also be published to the front page of stc.org. Events marked Private will be viewable by invitation or group membership only. In addition to event creation, events can be imported using the iCal format, either from a local file or from an external URL. To see more detail about an event, simply click through for a more in-depth description, including integrated location mapping. STC Chat is an exciting new tool that allows you to communicate with other STC members in real time. Simply select Who's Online from the bottom right-hand side of your taskbar. I'm choosing Chip Boyd, STC's webmaster. When I click on his name, it opens a chat window and I can type in a message. One-on-one chats, breakout chat rooms for larger group discussions, screen sharing, whiteboard sharing, and video and audio conferencing are all available through the integrated MySTC chat. We hope that you've enjoyed this demo of the new stc.org. We will continue to develop and implement new website features in the coming months. Your feedback is a critical part of STC website development. If you have a suggestion, question, or technical issue, please let us know by clicking on the Feedback tab found on the side of every page of the site. This will take you to Get Satisfaction, the platform we're using to monitor and aggregate site feedback and address outstanding concerns. Thank you for your time. We look forward to seeing you online.